Okay, so for example 6, I'm going to do a few more examples than the one given. You will be using this in college algebra, and most people won't teach it this trick way that I have. For the distance formula, you usually see it as this. If you like this, just use it, okay? I'm going to show you how to do the trick way. And if you don't like the trick way, again, just go back to the distance formula. You should already know how to do that, okay? So, for the trick way, the distance formula is just the square root of x squared plus y squared. Except you have to remember these two things. So, if the signs are the same, think alliteration, subtract. Same sign, subtract, okay? But you don't forget the word drop, okay? So if the signs are the same, you drop the signs and then subtract them. If the signs are different, you drop the signs and add them. So let's look at this first example. So if we're doing it the trick way, we know that d is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. So let's look at our x's first. Our x's, let me do this in red. Our x is 2 and 1. So we have a positive 2 and a positive 1. So they're both the same sign. So same sign means drop the signs. There aren't any signs to drop, so that's fine. And subtract. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 1 squared. Okay? And now we do our y's. We have negative 5 and negative 4. Those are the same sign. So we drop the signs. So now it becomes positive 5 and positive 4, and then we add. So and then we subtract still. Same sign means drop and subtract. So 5 minus 4, again, is 1. Okay? Alright, and now we bring this together. 1 squared is 1, so 1 plus 1. So our final answer would be the square root of 2. Okay, just some extra problems. Let's say we had negative 3, 2, and 5, 7. Okay, and we're looking for the distance formula. So if we look at our x's are negative 3 and 5. So those are different signs, right? Different means drop the signs. So we're going to make it a positive and a positive. Different means add. And add them. So if we add them, we get 8. Okay? And then we'll do the same thing for our y's. So our y's, we have 2 and 7. These are the same. Same means drop. You don't have anything to drop because they're both positive. And subtract. So when you're subtracting, you can do the easiest way. It's easier to do 7 minus 2 rather than 2 minus 7 because you get a positive, right? So we'll do 7 minus 2 and we get 5. So that means our distance equation would be x squared plus y squared. And then you can just plug that bottom portion into your calculator. You get 64 plus 25. And then you get the square root of 89. And that's rationalized. So you're good, okay? And what I mean by rationalize is how we were simplifying the problems previously, where we break up 89, but 89 is a prime. So that would be the final answer.